Okay, so what if I told you that for years, your iPhone has been hiding something from you? A secret button. And in the next few minutes, we're not just going to find it, we're going to turn it on and make it do something awesome.
Seriously, grab your phone right now. Flip it over. You see that Apple logo? The one you've probably seen, I don't know, a million times? Yeah, get ready because you're about to see it in a whole new light.
Because it's not just a logo. It's a button. Yep, you heard me. The Apple logo itself can be a button. The feature is called Back Tap, and honestly, it's one of the coolest things Apple has ever tucked away in its settings. So many people have no idea it exists, but you will, not after this.
So you're probably wondering, where the heck is this thing hidden? Well, Apple buried it pretty deep in the settings menu. See, it started life as an accessibility feature, which is awesome, but we're going to unlock it for everyone in like the next 30 seconds.
Okay, here's the roadmap. It's just 4 little taps to get to the control panel for your new secret button. Don't worry, I'll walk you through every single step.
All right, first things first, pop open your Settings app. Now just scroll down a bit until you see Accessibility and give that a tap.
Okay, once you're inside accessibility, you're going to see a section called Physical and Motor. Right at the top of that, you'll see Touch. Go ahead and tap that.
We are so close. Now on this screen, you need to scroll all the way down. All the way to the very bottom. And that last option you see, Back Tap, that's our prize. Tap it. You're in.
Okay, you made it. You found the secret headquarters. Now for the really fun part, actually telling this new button what you want it to do. This is where you make it yours.
And what's so cool is that it's not just one secret button, you actually get 2. You can set up an option for a double tap and a totally different one for a triple tap. And yeah, you can absolutely use them both.
So what kind of stuff can you make it do? Oh, the options are great. You can make it turn on your flashlight, pop open the camera, mute your phone in a meeting. But my personal favorite, and the one I think everyone should try first, is Screenshot. It is, no joke, a total game changer.
All right, you've dug through the menus, you've picked an action. I hope you set one up so you can do this with me, because now it's time to see the magic happen.
Okay, so go back to your home screen. Now take your finger and give the back of your phone, right around the logo, 2 quick, firm taps. Like tap, tap. And boom! If you set it to Screenshot, you should have just seen your screen flash. It's literally that simple.
Now I know what you're thinking. It's the #1 question everyone asks. But does it work with a case on? And the answer is a huge, resounding yes. It works perfectly, even with those big, bulky cases.
So how on earth is that possible? Well, it's not really magic. It's just some seriously cool tech. Your iPhone has this thing inside it called a gyroscope. Think of it like a super sensitive sensor that literally feels the vibration from your taps right through the plastic or leather of your case. It's not listening for a sound. It's feeling for that very specific motion. How cool is that?
Look, taking a screenshot or turning on the flashlight is awesome, but believe me, we are just scratching the surface here. This is where BackTap goes from being just a neat party trick to an actual powerful productivity tool.
And here it is, the real game changer. You can connect BackTap to Siri Shortcuts. And if you know anything about shortcuts, that means you can make this secret button do, well, almost anything you can dream up.
Just think about this for a second. You walk in your front door, tap on the back of your phone, and all your smart lights turn on. Or you're standing in line for coffee, tap, and your payment app pops right up. Or maybe you're at the gym, and a quick tap starts your favorite workout playlist. See, the possibilities they're pretty much endless. So, there you have it. The secret is out. Now you know. The only question left is, what are you going to make your secret button do? Is it going to be for convenience, for productivity, or just for something fun? The choice is all yours. Go set it up.